Always be ready to survive alone. Some people suddenly change. Today, you're important to them. Tomorrow, you're nothing to them, and that's real life. When you realize that no one is truly permanent, you'll understand the power of self-reliance. People will let you down, sometimes without reason, sometimes without warning. Today, you're the center of their universe. Tomorrow, you're invisible, and they won't even notice your absence. But don't let that break you. Let it build you. The moment you stop relying on others for your sense of worth is the moment you become unstoppable. Remember, those who truly matter won't let you fade into the background, but even if they do, you'll be ready. Ready to stand tall, ready to thrive in your solitude. Because when you've learned to survive alone, you've mastered the art of resilience. You're no longer at the mercy of others' whims. You're free. If you agree with me, write yes in the comments. If not, let us know why. Your opinion matters. And don't forget to hit that follow button because this account is for you. See you soon.
Ano nating mga OFW kasi nakikita ko yung eroplano, parang namimiss ko siya at nandito na tayo ngayon sa mga vendors sa gilid-gilid. Yan ang ating nakikita sa mga vendors. Yan talaga ang ng mga dito. Ganyan pag gabi na yan, ang ganda na nila kasi lahat na ng ilaw na nakasindi na yan. Yan, ganyan ang vendors dito. Pero ang bilis na kasi ng takbo ng sasakyan kasi wala siyang traffic, kaya tuloy-tuloy ang traffic namin. Salamat! Maraming salamat sa